traditional trading in financial markets. In this session, Elliott wave will be studied in details. Elliott waves. Elliott waves theory is frequently exploited in technical analysis. This theory is based on the universal orders and systems. Human beings are a part of the universe. Thus, human behavior is derived from the system of our universe. Consequently, Elliott waves applies the universal order of financial markets to predict future market trend and price. Elliott waves includes 5 major and 3 corrective swings. Numbers 3, 5 and 8 are available on Fibonacci sequence. The major swings are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, while A, B and C are corrective swings, in which B has agreeing direction with the major trend. Numbers 1, 3 and 5 are the major swings with agreeing direction to major trend, while numbers 2 and 4 are reversal major swings. Swings 1, 3, 5 and B are agreeing, and swings 2, 4, A and C are reversal. Elliott wave's trend can be smooth, rippling or a zigzag. Each swing can include an Elliott waves pattern in its structure. For instance, in this graph there are 34 swings. 34 is a Fibonacci number 2. Swings can be classified into 9 categories on the basis of their size and time frame. Grand supercycle is multi-century. Supercycle is multi-decade. Cycle, 1 year or several years. Primary, a few months or several years. Intermediate, weeks to months. Minor, weeks. Minute, days. Minuet, hours. And sub-minuet is minutes. The major Elliott waves conditions are: the second swing must not reach the starting point of the first swing. The fourth swing must not reach the starting point of the third swing. The third swing must touch a higher price than the first swing in bullish format. The third swing must touch a lower price than the first swing in bearish format. The third swing cannot be shorter than the first and fifth swing, while it is frequently the longest swing. The fourth swing must not reach the endpoint of the first swing. Swings number 1, 3 or 5 can be extended by sub-swings. The extended swing has 5 sub-swings with Elliott wave patterns, which are detectable on the time frame of the main Elliott wave swings. Frequently, the third swing has an extension in its structure. The left graph shows the extension has occurred on the first swing. The middle graph illustrates the extension on the third swing, while the right graph displays the extension on the fifth swing. Even if a trader could not detect the extension and main swings, he or she can consider the whole 9 swings on the analysis. Extension can occur on subswings too. Sometimes swing number 5 lags behind the third swing high point due to a rapid gradient of the third swing. Thus, traders can consider the third and fifth swing as a double top pattern, which produces a sell signal. If the fifth swing includes 5 subswings, and those subswings do not have Elliott waves patterns, then a trader can consider the swings as a triangle pattern. As a trend crosses a breakout point, a sell order on a bullish trend and a buy order on a bearish trend can be placed. Frequently, each major swing will include 3 subswings to form a triangle pattern, which may sometimes be divergent. Most of the time, one of the second or the fourth swing may have a complex shape and structure. A trader can connect the endpoints of the first swing and the third swing by a trend line. Then a parallel line can be placed on a starting point of the second swing. Hence, the fourth and fifth swing can be speculated considering this channel. If the fourth swing does not form on the defined line, whether higher or lower, a trader can draw a trend line from the second swing endpoint to the fourth swing endpoint. Then place a parallel line with this trend line on the third swing endpoint to predict the fifth swing endpoint. The corrective swings refine the market price and move against major swings. Corrective swings require more consideration due to their complexity. There are three types of corrective swings: zigzag, flat, and triangle. A zigzag pattern, 535, is a downward trend on an uptrend. Thus, it is a reversal pattern. On a bearish trend, this pattern will have an upward direction. 2 or 3 zigzag patterns can be detected in a trend if there is a sub-swing pattern. The first trend is W followed by X and Y trends. Flat is another type of corrective swing. 335, in which swings are named A, B and C. C has higher price rather than A, which shows less tendency to refine the main swings. Frequently, this type is after strong and vigorous latest major swings, numbers 1, 3 and 5. A special type of flat format is formed after the swing B is closed higher than the fifth swing and the swing C is lower than the swing A in a bullish trend. In a rare conditions, B may be closed over the fifth swing, while the C endpoint is higher than the A endpoint. Triangle pattern 33333 has 5 consecutive 3-set corrective swings. That subswing may not have corrective pattern. Just like a triangle pattern, the consecutive waves and swings forms symmetrical, descending, ascending and reversal symmetrical triangle formats. Swings are named A, B, C, D and E. Since these forms are continual patterns, they are present on corrective patterns. Wave B must be larger and longer than wave A. Subswings can have zigzag or flat format. Triangle patterns would be created after B or the fourth wave is formed. The triangle format may have 9 swings. Thus, trend will form after a longer time. There is a format in which some corrective swing types are combined with each other. The combination can consist of zigzag, flat and triangle concurrently. While there can be multiple flat patterns, only one triangle pattern can form, which will be the last pattern of this combination. A short combination pattern has WXY points, while a longer format has WXYZ points. Elliott waves is a complex and difficult pattern that requires sound knowledge and experience acquired over several years of practice. Specifying points must be done on longer time frames. Thus, subswings can be determined in shorter time frames. The most important issue on